Welcome to Valerie Reads to You. Today I am going to actually start doing my word, sound, picture craze that I talked about last video, where we discovered about the shy little kitten. That shy little kitten was so shy, it would roll on the ground. She left the farm, but then she came across a shaggy puppy, a frog, a squirrel, and a bone. And the shaggy puppy knows where Mama Cat was. So you can always think, I know how to fly to the sky and go down below. You have to think, I know everything in the world, down below, in my head, in the foot. In this foot are smushed. So they always can be repeated. So words can sometimes be repeated over and over and over. Can be repeated. Say, I am a squirrel. I am a frog. I am a flower. So I have this flower poster up here, which also flowers can also help you read. Because sometimes flowers are grizzly, pizzly, or bloomed. So when you say bloomed, like off in coffin, bloom. And you can write, the flower bloomed inside my head, and it felt crazy because I never wanted it in my head. See, you can always write down words that don't make sense. Like, she said, I like to draw. I like to draw. I like to drawing. I like to draw. I like to draw pictures of animals like cats, dogs, animals. So sometimes in reading, you can get stuck in flat words. So they mean like nothing. Air, water, fire, earth. Earth is flat. The sky is flat. So like flat words, like flip, flap, flip. Now, I have some things you need to learn. So maybe we are going to think about a word that doesn't make sense. Sometimes words can say their names, like A, I, O, E, I. F doesn't say it because it's not a vowel. Here's right. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. This is the first one. This is the last one. Well, this one seems like last, and this one seems like front too. But if I switch it around, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. See? Really easy. That one's talking. Now, when you come to reading and you get stuck on this thing that's called agnavorix. Agnavorix is when you come to this realm that you don't even know in books. And you think, I can't read this. and you want to quit so bad, but you say, he is ready to begin their adventures in Malta, Holland. You have to think. Break my hand. Go down to the bottom. And push to the side. And I push to the other. So I push to the side. And I push to the other. Push to the side. This is my left. 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 Turn around. This is my left. But it never changes. So this one's my left. This one's my left. No. Look. Hands. One hand would go up in reading because you would come to this portal that you didn't know of, and you would think, I don't want to go in there. And then you think, I'm giving up. 1. Now, this is a pretty much honest. Is this what book? No, that's not a book. I'll show you a little honesty. So I'm going to read to me so that it can. Now, listen. I made this book. I made this book for you guys. All about my dog. This paper. All about my dog. I like to play with my dog. Quinn. I like to also snuggle my dog. And I also love my dog so much. I like to love on my dog, but I don't like the fighting part either. I like my dog very, very much. And I want my dog to guard me. My dog chases my cat. My dog is very, 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 very fun. Was that so bad? Do you think you can read this book? I looked at the end of the book and I thought, wow. Now you can sign up for letters on. One of these letters are letters on today. Excuse me. Now, letters on Valerie is really fun. I have a letter for you. Listen. Open it up. I'm going to hold it up. Oh. E. E. D. B. Ed. Bed. Correct. When you don't like beds, what do you say? You scream out. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Eed. No. A letter folder. Passing these out. I want your parents to make these. You have a copy machine. Then you can copy one for your friends, for me. But I already have a letter folder. So you get your own. Or print out probably the letters. Print them out. Put them on. Stamp a button on. Write letter folder. Then your teacher, when you go in kindergarten, if you get Miss Moody, if you go into Bethel, when you're a kindergartner, if you go into Bethel, when you get used to stuff, you're gonna get this. You're gonna think as you become bigger. You are gonna read things. Keep on going. Read and read. I'm gonna read whale food. You're gonna read. So you're gonna read 1, 2, 3, 4. Whale food. Birds. These statues and land. So we're gonna all on book. See, this is land. There's Blue Vulture. Blue Vulture. Blue Vulture right here. Here he is. Standing proud. It's a good book. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the thoughts and kindness you'll share with your friends in reading. If you always make sure to forward me links to make sure you have got your read on. And if you don't read, get on to reading. And I'm going to ask my mom and dad if I can send a picture. Maybe I can have some books I want to sell. Maybe some reading toys. And I'm going to forward some books you can buy. And you can buy some merchandise. I'll make some merchandise too. Bye! Hope you enjoyed my video today. And remember, forward a link, give a thumbs up. It should be over there or over there. And subscribe, give us a link, and we might give you a book or something else.